Good morning, viewers. This is the 6th day of my trip. I stayed for 2 nights in Windhoek in Namibia. I wanted to do some sightseeing and show you some sights around Windhoek, but it was raining on my off day. I came here the day before yesterday, but yesterday was overcast and rainy, and I even once got soaked when I had to go to the shops to buy a SIM card. So I couldn't show you much, but I want to show you the place where I stayed. It's Windhoek Gardens Boutique Hotel. Very nice. They've got an in-house restaurant, a nice bar where you can have a beer or whatever, and a nice swimming pool. Nice view outside of the swimming pool, and on this side also large windows, nice greenery. I slept like a baby. Huge bed, huge shower. I must show you the shower. I'm always fond of a nice big shower where at least you have room to maneuver and to walk around. It's a nice big shower. Very nice to stay here. Boutique hotels, I thought, sure, they are expensive. This one is not so bad for what you get. Breakfast included. And I'll now go outside and show you a bit more of the outside. And there, right beneath my window, is my motorbike. Yeah, lekker. I'll show you again when I'm outside. This is the outside. Look at the nice blue sky day. This is where I park my bike, right under my eyes. And I'm now going to have breakfast, and I'll see you later. So today I'm going to ride from Windhoek to just outside of Utawi. A friend of mine is farming there, Niels de Jager, and I'm going to visit him. And I've seen him many years since I last saw him, and it's about almost 400 k's. I think it's 398. And as I said, today beautiful open sky and a nice day to travel. Not rainy like yesterday, although I don't mind traveling in rain, but it's much better if it's a clear day, although it can be hot. But nevertheless, that's it. Okay, let's go and put in some petrol and hit the road. Okay, I'm all packed, ready to go. Just need to put on my helmet. Every time I pack the bike, it gets easier. And the thing seems to be fitting better and better. Maybe I get organized, or maybe I forget stuff where I stayed over. I hope not. Any case, and I'll have to put in petrol. And then I tackle the road to Utawi. That's it. Let's go. Today's trip is from Windhoek all the way north. Then, what's this place name? Otjiwarongo. Otjiwarongo, and then up to Utawi. And then just outside Utawi on the way to Grootfontein is my friend Niels de Jager, and I'll be there for a couple of days. Good, let's go. After about an hour and a half's travel on the B1 North, I pulled over in a nice shady spot made for putting off. And I'm stretching my legs a bit, drink a bit of water, take a few minutes just to relax a bit. It's so nice and green and mountainous north of Windhoek. Not sure if you can see while I'm traveling from my GoPro on my chin, but it's so nice and green, beautiful. In any case, that's it for now. I'm going to get back on the scooter and go forth north. Cheers.